2024 Trax taillight removal. I wanted to upgrade the incandescent balls with LED. So in order to remove the taillight from the body of the Trax, you have to remove these two retaining screws. You want to get a non-marring bar such as this. You can get them on Amazon. Of course, this one's made in China. And you want to put it right here. There's two retaining screws right here. You just want to wiggle and pry until those pop loose, and then the whole tail light assembly will come loose on its own, and it just pops right out just like that. Two retaining plugs, very simple. If you follow the manual, it says to pull straight back. There's no way you're getting this tail light off without some kind of prying tool right here. Right here, guys. Thanks.